Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to all my fellow solar panel owners out in Peshawar. Did you know that dust and debris can slash your panel's efficiency by a whopping 30 to 35%? That's a huge loss in power and money. But what if I told you there is a simple way to get that performance back up to 100%? Introducing Expert Power, your local solution for professional solar cleaning systems right here in Peshawar. Their goal is simple: to help you maximize the performance and extend the life of your valuable solar investment. Don't let dirt rob you of clean energy. Expert Power offers an exclusive service to bring your panels back to peak productivity. Ready to boost your energy output. You can find them at Karkhano Market in the Palace Shopping Plaza, shops 15 and 16. Or just give them a call at 0348 8811734. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.